Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2001 Lexus RX 300. It features a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include the premium package, a moonroof, cruise control, a multi-disc CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, fog lamps, privacy glass, halogen headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and alloy wheels. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.